We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
In this video, we will discuss about array in SketchUp. Arrays are used to create copies of objects arranged in a pattern. Here, array option is performed by using Move tool. In SketchUp, array can be applied into two methods. First method, here giving the total distance and total number of objects to be arranged in that particular distance. Here the gap between the objects will be equally distributed by the software. Second method, we are giving the distance between the object and number of objects. You can access Move tool under Edit toolbar. If Edit toolbar is not showing in your window, please turn on this option in toolbar menu under View tab. First, we will show array by first method. First, select the object. Then click on Move tool. Pick a base point. Then press Ctrl to create a copy. Move the cursor for the required direction and enter the copy total distance to the last instance in array. Then press / key. And enter the number of objects to be arranged in between the entered distance. Next, we will show the second method. Follow the same steps. Instead of total distance, here we are giving the distance between the two instances. And we use multiple key instead of / key. And number of instance. Next, we will show polar array in SketchUp. Polar array means arranging an object along the circumference of a circle. As like the array we have seen earlier, polar array can also be done in two methods. Select the object and click on Rotate tool from the Edit toolbar. Pick the rotation point then create a copy by pressing Ctrl key. And enter the total angle. Then press enter. After that, press the / key. And enter the number of instances you want. Next, we will show the other method of giving angle between the instance and total number of instances. For this, enter the individual angle instead of total angle. And press multiple key instead of / key. And enter the number of instances. Thanks for watching this video.